viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about simplification of algebraic fractions. So on the board we are going to be simplifying 3 all over n plus 2n minus 2 all over m minus 3n. So the first step is to look for the LCM of both the denominator. LCM of m plus 2n m minus 3n. So I won't waste much of our time. I'll just repeat this process at the done. So I'll just come and put m plus 2n m minus 3n. This will make the work more simpler and easier for us. So we'll resolve everything before we expand the denominator. So I'll pick this denominator to divide this denominator. So this particular one, when it cancels out itself here, to be left with m minus 3n. So I'll simply write this 3 at the top here and put m minus 3n. I guess you understand that. So I'll put my minus sign. When this one cancels out itself here, it's left with m plus 2n. So I'll have 2m plus 2n. We are done with that. The next step is to open our bracket. So I'll open the bracket at the denominator. I will have 3 times m. I'm having 3m minus, because of this minus sign, 3 times minus 3n, I'm having 9n. Then minus 2 times m will give me minus 2m. And minus 2 times plus 2n will give me minus 4n. We've succeeded in resolving that, and we'll put our denominator back the way it is. So having done that, I'm going to collect the like terms at the numerator. So 3m minus 2m, I'm left with just m. Minus 9n minus 4, I'm left with minus 13n. So I'll repeat the denominator. I'll have m plus 2n, bracket m minus 3n, or bracket close. So that is our answer. But if you don't want to leave your answer like this, you would love to expand the denominator, why not? Now we're going to be expanding the denominator, so we'll say or. So the top remains itself all over. So I'll simply expand that denominator at the bottom here so that we can see it. M plus 2n multiplying m minus 3n. So I'm having m times m will give me m squared. M times minus 3n will give me minus 3nm. Plus 2n times m will give me plus 2nm. Plus 2n times minus 3n will give me minus 6n squared. So I will now have m squared minus 3n plus 2 is already 1. So because of the minus and plus is minus, I will have nm minus 6n squared. So these are denominator. I will replace it with everything here. That is, I'll put it here. So I'm having m squared minus nm minus 6n squared. So that's our final result. Feel free to resolve any problem on algebraic fraction and leave it at the comment section. We'll check as soon as possible to check if you're correct. Then we'll give you feedback. Otherwise, in our next class, we are going to be giving you your own question to resolve. Do have a nice day.